One of the biggest takeaways I had from the Fast Training Academy course here at the University of New England was really getting that hands-on, training with the cadavers and seeing the kind of muscle interplay with the fascia and seeing how they interact, that tight interaction that they have, and how you can really feel kind of how a force can be transmitted from the muscle through the fascia in these different planes.
This course is excellent because if you look at a textbook, it can be depicted in so many different ways. It never replicates what's actually in the body. So looking at the cadaver anatomy, looking at every single layer, how each fascia connects every muscle, and how they come together and play a role in movement and mechanics, it's really important to see in person.
So the fascia training anatomy dissection course at the University of New England was very helpful in improving important anatomy as far as the overlying fascia and muscles of the core, upper and lower extremity. I think this is important to keep fresh in our mind when we're dealing with athletes and where they're prone to injury and how their body will adapt to those injuries and where we need to focus the recovery.
Kind of working in a collaborative environment, that's always helpful because you can bounce ideas between athletic trainers, physicians, people who are strength coaches, conditioning coaches.
Joel's very experienced anatomist with years and years of experience and a great teaching personality, like very open to questions, very open to showing you any part of the anatomy that you have any confusion over, that you want to see some more, dive really deep into the anatomy and again how the fascia plays into the system.
Professor Telsa was very personable, very informative, and really was flexible in instructing us on different areas that we were focused on. He definitely seemed to also acknowledge the importance of fascia.
It's clear that he's a masterful teacher. He's had great experience and he's very approachable, easy to learn from.
The wealth of information that you receive from Joel, one of the best anatomy dissections that I've ever been a part of, including medical school.
And I would definitely recommend it, especially as sports medicine physicians. This is something that's very instrumental in our backgrounds and our patients.
This will enhance your practice as a clinician. This will give you a greater understanding on how to help your patients.